Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? You guys doing good too? I'm doing good too. So welcome, and today I will be showing you something very special. In my previous video, if you guys seen it, I made a thing called Fujitsu Nvidia RTX 28 Mini. What that was a video card that goes into mini chassis, where there's less space in the system. So this specially was designed for Fujitsu systems, and it's not for people who want to put in like their big desktop PCs. These video cards weren't made for that. That video card what I was mentioning is made for Fujitsu systems, and this is the system which I'm going to show you today was made for. So I'm not going to talk too much about it in this video today, but all I'm going to show you some photos and information on the system I'm talking about. So let's see the first picture of this machine. Here we go. Wow, it's already big, it only doing as much. So this is a system. It looks absolutely super stylish. This can be placed in a TV video cabinet, as you can see from here, and this can be placed just like your desktop PC. So yeah, take a look at this image. Okay, let's prepare for the next image. Let's try to reopen that again. Hold on. Yeah, there you have it. A TV video cabinet experience, man. You can't beat that, can you? This can be placed under your television, like having a DVD or a Blu-ray player. Amazing, isn't it? How they made the design. And here you got the Fujitsu logo here, Esprimo here, because this is the Fujitsu Esprimo D958. Hold on, we're gonna find out what it is. We're gonna go to the exact details of what model we're talking about here. These models are so frustrating and confusing. You don't know which one's which, because this one is like a D and one's got a P and they got all sorts of numbers on them. Yeah, it's really hard to remember which model's which. So anyway, enjoy this image. Check it out. Proper TV video cabinet. Style, isn't it? It's very super stylish, I tell you that. It's really beautiful thing to own one of these. If you've never seen one of these, now you've seen it. It's really nice. Okay, let's go to the next image. So this will be the final image. So there you go. So you can make it stand like a desktop PC. You have to use this, some kind of stand. One at the front, one on the back, and it will stand like this. Very nice indeed. This is a very amazing system. It's very in high performance. When you put a video card, this system will become a high-end PC, man. Under your TV video cabinet. This is a really impressive system to own. The only downfall about this system is that obviously it's quite small. You have to buy a mini GPU for this. Because if the GPU is not mini, you're not going to be able to fit that in this, are you? So you're going to be... There's no point buying it. Like, because Nvidia's just bringing out the new 30 series cards, which was the Nvidia RTX 3070, 3080, 3090. They're the full size one. They're not going to go in there, are they? So the ones you can put in this system is the Nvidia RTX 2060, 2070 and 2080. You could put them ones, but if you want it to be the most powerfulest PC, I would rather go for the Nvidia RTX 2080. Go for that and this will become a very powerful high-end PC. So there you have it. Now this is the Amazon UK website. So I'm giving you more information on the system. So if you look at the system, it's a Fujitsu Esprimo D958. I mean, this is quite a recent one, I would say. Well, it's the latest one from this lineup. Whatever year it came out in. Maybe they might give the year at the end. We'll see. D958 /E94 plus 9th gen Intel-Core i7-9700 16GB DDR4 SD RAM 512GB SSD. That's the color of it. Desktop PC Esprimo D958 /E94 plus 3 GHz 9th gen Intel-Core i7 16GB 512GB DVD Super. Okay. Right. And the price for this thing is £1,303. I mean, but the reason for that is, right, because I think it's got this memory in there. If you go for 8GB, right, this same model, right, is available at Corey's PC World, but it comes with 8GB. It's around about similar price like this. I could show you that one as well. So I will show you that one, the price difference. Exactly the same model, right? Only is the memory in that system is 8GB, this one's 16GB. And the price went really high just because of that. Okay, voice command microphone, brand Fujitsu, CPU model, Core i7, hardware, interface, USB, DisplayPort, Ethernet, USB 2.0, that's the color, and the RAM is 16GB in this model. Okay, RAM maximum size is 16GB, memory size is 16GB, RAM is 16GB. Okay, memory size is 16GB, RAM installed size 16GB, hard disk description SSD. Obviously, I already told you I must SSDs in this system. Okay, they got some more images here as well. Right. Product details. Product details. Dimension is 46 times 50 times 30 centimeters. Whoa, blimey! Boy, it's really small. Very small indeed. That is why it's using mini GPUs, isn't it? Right. Date first available 11th October 2019. So it's released last year, eh? That's pretty new. Manufacturer Fujitsu Technology Solutions. Obviously, they're based in Japan. That's the ASIN, if you know that. That's the item model number. Then it goes product description. I know you already can see all this information yourself. It doesn't matter, but it's good to show it yourself. Watch that. Fujitsu Esprimo D958 desktop provides maximum manageability, performance, and expandability up to 9th Gen Intel Core processor and Intel V Pro technology, combined with Desk View manageability suite, support professional computing and advanced manageability. The low noise design supports a pleasant working environment. Its innovative low power active mode feature ensures instant communication in the office. The high production quality helps extend the product life and 90% efficient power supplies, reduce your energy bills. Finally, the produced to erase this feature show you data is good and wipe on retirement. If it says where it says 94% efficient power supplies, reducing power your bills. So that's really good because you won't get high bills with this system. That's a good thing about this machine. Processor frequency 3 GHz. Processor family 9th Gen Intel Core i7. Processor model i7 9700. Processor cores 8. Number of processors installed 1. Processor boot frequency 4.7 GHz. Processor socket LGA 1151. Memory. Internal memory 16 GB. Internal memory type DDR4 SD RAM. Maximum internal memory 64 GB. Right. There you go. This is really impressive, this system, isn't it? Even in this small form factor. It's saying that the internal memory in this system is right now is 16 GB. But the maximum internal memory in this system you can store up to 64 GB. Okay? Need to do that, you can do it. Memory layout slot type size 1 times 16 GB. Memory slots 4x DIMM. Right, so these are the full size ones, aren't they? So right now they've installed 1. So that means so in this system it says as memory slots 4. So if you had 4 in there, that will come up to 64 GB, wouldn't it? If you had 4 of them together. So anyway, memory clock speed 2666 MHz. Okay. Optical drive type DVD Super Multi. Optical drive quantity 1. So in here, if you look carefully, ports and interfaces. USB 2.0 ports, quantity 4. There's 4. I don't know if it's a front or back, it doesn't say that. USB 3.2 Type A ports, quantity 4. USB 3.2 Gen 2, quantity is 2 there. USB 3.2 Gen 2 again, which is Type C ports. Let's get this straight with it. USB 3.2 Gen 2 is Type A ports, quantity 2. USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C ports is quantity 1. It's got Type C on there as well. Very nice. Ethernet LAN ports 1. Microphone in, yes. Headphone output 1. Display ports, it's got them as well. Quantity 2. And line out and line in. Okay, it says yes, yes. This is the weight and dimensions. So the width is 332 mm, depth 338 mm, height 89 mm, weight 8 kg. This is the power. Okay. There you have it. So this is all the information. For this system. So I hope you guys enjoyed this information. This system is really good. You gotta consider the small form factor of the system. Okay, in my next video I will try to supply the data sheet from original manufacturer Fujitsu, and I want to say what kind of information do they give about this machine from their point of view, so it's good to know. I will cover the full information about that as well. So yeah, so this is a Fujitsu Esprimo D958, which is an Intel Core i7-9700. The processor is pretty fast. I do say that this is a very high performance system. Right now, it's at just a high performance. You could turn this into a high-end gaming performance system as well. If you just install the Nvidia RTX 2080 Mini, which I showed previously in my video, you could put that in this system and this will become a high-end for workers and for gamers. This will be a very powerful system indeed. It's really worth buying this machine, I'm telling you, because you're not going to get anything like this on the market, and not at this size anyway. Because you can put this under your TV camera, it just will suit the putting it below your television, isn't it? This thing will look really nice. I would love to do that with this thing, yeah. I wouldn't mind putting it under my television, this thing, and use it, because like, you can do anything. It's a PC, isn't it? You can do whatever you want with it. So I hope you guys like my photos and the information, specs about this system, and you like the product what I'm showing you today. Give me likes, comments, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.